77. You must complete the parade. After listen collect. All the
Testament to the high standards and dedication of our candidates, let us witness their position and spirit. And United College. Next is Civil Police Chandel.
I'm a platoon! Down there!
Next we have Women's Civil.
Senator Suba Contingent Wangini Mahayudan NCC Aku Semko Komnat Habi Contingent Matang Contingent Institute Boys Lambung SCI Girls Lambung again.
Now we have JV boys. Next.
Matangga Central High Secondary.
Assam Rifle Band.
I remind once again, we have next
Corner Day Lapigno stage. Super Short Film Challenge held on 15 November. ADDM, CAF and P. Primary School, ADC Chandel. In charge Headmistress Betuk Moyon, Science Graduate Teacher Jim Reef, Constable Chandel Police. Matang the ready Taupiu Sengul Ngamlu. Next we have Lily Sumpi, Constable Women Anal. Matang the Abujam Hamari
Chandel, language Bharat and Pearson. Cultural dance too. Akoye committee
a word from the Governor of Manipur.
And a very warm greeting to all of you on this proud occasion of 77th Republic Day. It gives strength to our diversity and binds us together as one nation. This message holds special significance for us here in Chandel district. The people of Chandel have shown great strength, patience and unity. I sincerely appreciate the cooperation of our villagers, village authorities, civil society groups and youth in maintaining peace and supporting development of Chandel district. Peace is the foundation of development. And I take this opportunity to express my deep gratitude to police, Assam Rifles, Manipur Rifles, and all security forces under leadership of our dynamic and beloved Superintendent of Police for their dedication and service. I also thank our community leaders and elders who plays an important role in maintaining peace and harmony in our district. To our youths and students, I want to say this to you. You are the future of Chandel and future of India. Choose education, skills and hard work. Our nation have faith and hope in you.